Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge, and we see the S&P 500 having a nice bounce over here. They made a bull flag and popped up. Same with gold a little and the Nasdaq. At the moment the dollar is bouncing a little. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the dollar. Let's zoom out to the daily, and yeah, seems like reversal doji over here. Nice bounce on this support. But also the monthly is closing today. So what do we see? Remove everything. And yeah, well, sadly it looks like an inverse head and shoulders. Important support level over here. And what else do we see? No, I mean, hard to see something from here. We do have a very bullish engulfing here on the monthly candle, which I don't like, of course. We want the dollar to go down so crypto can go up. Having a look at the S&P, looking good here. They're coming up for the previous all-time high at the moment. Zoom out a little bit, 4 hour first. They're coming up to the previous all-time high. Above this, we're going to the all-time high and probably new highs. Really nice bull flag broke out up. Really bullish. Yeah, nothing much to say about it. Looking very good. Let's take a look at the monthly. We'll delete everything I have. And well, the monthly does, close over here means high, like close above this, that is very good. So the close is still fine. Does look a bit like a reversal over here, but if you zoom in, it looks very good as well, and it is a very high close. Bitcoin very consolidating. Nothing much to say about it. Volume is also confirming the consolidation, like barely any volume doing here. So yeah, there's nothing much to say about that. Like we're so clearly consolidating. We will have something like this, a break of this. We will have soon. You saw it over here, consolidating, tighter and tighter and tighter, and then we started moving up. Not saying we will start moving up here as well, but I am expecting that. Slow grind up, accelerating to the upside. I would expect something similar to this, especially if we have negative funding, we have people shorting. That would be very good. What is concerning me is the Bitfinex premium it always has over Coinbase. That is something I do not like. So yeah, that is kind of bearish, since new fiat is coming in through Coinbase. So for now, just consolidating, staying above 10.4-ish is still bullish. What we actually want is a lower low, I would say. You could also say 10.5, since it is a very important level over here as well. Or you could say just 10.1, the low over here. And the same with the highs. Over here is just below 11k or 11.1. Those levels need to break first before we can see something again. For now, I'm not really trading. If you get, if you're losing these trades in this range, like you just gotta stop. Simple as that. Oh yeah, of course the monthly is gonna close. Let's zoom in on the monthly. VPVR can be turned off. Remove everything, and doesn't look that sweet, but did we have similar patterns here as well? I mean, last month was a really, yeah, kind of reversal doji. This one, I mean, not so nice. Not something I like, to be honest, on the monthly candles. So yeah, we did have a really nice retest over here in this trend line. Could be that this is the retest already. I'm not really seeing something similar. If you guys do, please let me know in the comments. I always like an active comment section. Ethereum grinding up against resistance. Resistance is $360, last year's high. And we have a double bottom over here. What we now want is higher highs, up to $400. Not really a lot happening at the moment. We did break this line, which is good. But other than that, not much going on. We want to go above 400 over here. Taking a look at Ethereum BTC, consolidating as well, getting very tight. I mean, over here on the lower side we have support, could crack through it now, and in the VPVR we can see the resistance as well. A lot of action out over here as well, and of course, yeah, in history, VPVR shows it as well. SXP, clear outbreak over here. In a high volume area, and in my opinion, $2 is a very big level. Had action out over here as well. VPVR confirms it. $2 is either a place to take profit or to short. Not really into shorting because I think we are in a bull market. I could be wrong. Yeah, I mean, I do expect them to go for the top again here, for at least this top, or for $2. If they break $2, wait for a retest and then long it. That's what I would do. If you want to trade with some leverage like I do, make sure you use one of these sign up links, preferably FTX or Bybit, since I think those are the most user friendly. Especially Bybit is quite user friendly. If you want to have any advice, please let me know. Send me a DM, a private message, or let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Do mind your leverage, of course, because leverage kills people. Take a look at Uni. It was a follower's request. I'm active in some Discord groups as well. You can always contact me there. Otherwise, you can ask Bitcoin Edge on Twitter. Make sure to follow me, Bitcoin Edge. Uni request from a follower, like I said. Should bounce over here. They do not want to make new lows. Bounce over here would give some reasonable upside. I would long it till over here, $5, somewhat like that, because they would have made a higher low. If they do make a lower low, then I would be scared. I look at Wi-Fi. Should really bounce here, and it looks like they did. They're bouncing here, made a higher low, very good. We can zoom into the hourly. As you can see, this is resistance level over here. May touch this again, and doing now with a higher low would be really good. We can delete everything, and I see this line popping up. I think it's this. I'm really into trend lines, guys. You probably know that by now. So I would say something like this, really consolidating. And if we zoom in a little bit more, we saw it just broke out here. Something like that. Very nice break. And you can long it a little bit till this resistance over here. So I would say long it till 3,000 maybe. 30,000, sorry. I'm not really into those coins. So yeah, that is what I'm seeing on Wi-Fi. Take a look at Cream. Cream just made a lower low, looking bad. Get out while you can. I think they should find a bottom quickly. I don't like this. They should either bounce really quick from here or they're done. I mean, lower low. There's not much history in it yet. Do see something like this, but this is a bad bearish pattern in general. They should really get out of here to the upside. Break this over here. Yeah, not much to say about it. Maybe it's coming close to a buying moment. Tomo, question from a follower. I really like to do TA for followers, guys, so make sure you let me know. Possible head and shoulders over here. This is a resistance over here. And this is a resistance over here as well. Do we see something else? I mean, VPVR shows here as well. Break above this line, and it goes for the all-time high and probably new highs. Well, I talked about everything today. Like I said, monthly is closing today. Monthly for the S&P is still fine. Could look like a reversal, but it is a really high close. Same for BTC. We are still very much consolidating. So until we break out basically above 11.1 or below 10.5, that is what I consider a breakout. Also, I think the risk of a Dart mall, well, everybody just gets shaken out of their position, is possible as well. Something you see over here. Over here there was like more than a almost $2,000 candle, and everybody's out of their positions. And something like that I could see happening over here as well. Because stuff is getting so tight, they do not let you get a trade with 50x. They will not allow it. They will stop you out. They will liquidate you. I think this trend line is becoming more and more valid as well. Taking out this little top over here, I think that's quite valid. So stuff is getting really tight as long as we are above 10.1 or 11.1, we are consolidating in my opinion. So guys, that's about it for today. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, let me know which coins to cover. And also, if you want to trade with some leverage, make sure you use one of these. And why? Well, you save on your trading fees. You get discounts, and discounts eat your profits, guys. Really make sure you do not pay any fees, because basically then you make other people rich. So, see you guys again tomorrow, guys.